Eggs are one of the most versatile, affordable, and nutrient-dense foods in the entire world. For generations, enjoying scrambled, poached, or boiled eggs was considered a classic, comforting breakfast. However, over the past few decades, conflicting medical advice left millions of older adults feeling confused. Many of us were warned that egg yolks contain too much dietary cholesterol and could clog our arteries, leading many seniors to eliminate eggs from their diets entirely. But what does modern nutritional science actually say today? According to leading American health institutions like the American Heart Association and Harvard Health, our understanding of eggs has evolved dramatically. It turns out that eggs offer exceptional health benefits for healthy aging, muscle strength, brain protection, and eye health after 60. Today, Golden Years Health is uncovering the complete truth about eating eggs in your golden years, exploring 4 incredible health benefits, 3 important precautions, and the ideal way to enjoy them safely. Let us dive in and set the record straight. Rule 1. Benefit: premium protein to prevent muscle loss. As we age past 60, our bodies naturally begin to lose skeletal muscle mass and strength in a process known as sarcopenia. Preserving muscle tissue is essential for maintaining your balance, mobility, joint stability, and daily independence. Eggs are considered the gold standard of natural dietary protein. A single large egg provides about 6 grams of complete, high-quality protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Medical specialists at the Mayo Clinic emphasize that the protein in eggs is exceptionally easy for older adults to digest and absorb compared to heavy meats. Incorporating eggs into your daily meals provides your muscles with the precise building blocks required to stay strong, vibrant, and resilient. Rule 2. Benefit: vital choline for brain and memory protection. Maintaining sharp memory, cognitive focus, and clear thinking is one of the highest priorities for living a fulfilling life after 60. Egg yolks are one of the concentrated natural sources of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain health. Choline is used by your nervous system to produce acetylcholine, a vital neurotransmitter that regulates memory, mood, and cognitive function. Longitudinal neurological studies supported by Harvard Health demonstrate that adequate intake of dietary choline is closely linked to better cognitive performance and protection against age-related memory decline. Eating eggs regularly delivers a steady supply of choline directly to your brain, supporting neural connection and mental clarity. Rule 3. Benefit: lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. Age-related eye conditions, particularly macular degeneration and cataracts, are leading causes of vision impairment among older adults. Fortunately, egg yolks are rich in 2 powerful carotenoid antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These beneficial compounds accumulate directly in the retina of your eye, where they act as internal sunglasses, filtering harmful high-energy blue light and protecting delicate ocular cells from oxidative damage. Clinical nutrition research reveals that although some leafy greens also contain lutein, the specific fat-rich matrix of egg yolk allows your body to absorb and utilize these eye-protecting antioxidants much more efficiently, helping you preserve clear, vibrant vision as you age. Rule 4. Benefit: reevaluating the cholesterol myth. For decades, the primary argument against eating eggs was their high dietary cholesterol content, about 180 milligrams per yolk. However, extensive cardiovascular research conducted by the American Heart Association has completely updated this view. For the vast majority of healthy seniors, dietary cholesterol from whole natural foods has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels compared to saturated fats and trans fats found in processed foods. Your liver actually regulates its own cholesterol production based on what you eat, When you consume dietary cholesterol, your liver simply produces less. Comprehensive clinical trials confirm that eating up to 7 eggs per week does not increase the risk of heart disease or stroke in healthy older adults, making eggs a safe, nourishing choice. Rule 5. Precaution: diabetes and specific cardiovascular risks. While whole eggs are perfectly safe for most seniors, a personalized approach is necessary if you live with certain metabolic conditions. Clinical studies indicate that individuals with type 2 diabetes or pre-existing high LDL cholesterol may process dietary cholesterol somewhat differently. In some diabetic seniors, higher egg consumption has been associated with a slightly elevated risk of cardiovascular events when combined with a high saturated fat diet. Cardiologists recommend that older adults managing diabetes or hyperlipidemia consult their physician and consider limiting whole egg yolks to 3 or 4 per week, while enjoying egg whites freely to benefit from pure, lean protein without added cholesterol. Rule 6. Precaution: how you prepare your eggs matters. The health benefits of an egg can easily be neutralized depending on how it is cooked and what it is served with. Frying eggs in heavy butter, margarine, or bacon grease adds substantial amounts of unhealthy saturated fats that genuinely do raise blood cholesterol and increase cardiovascular risk. Furthermore, pairing eggs with heavily processed breakfast meats like crispy bacon, sausage links, and refined white toast creates an inflammatory meal. Nutrition experts from Harvard Health advise preparing your eggs using heart-healthy methods, such as boiling, poaching, or scrambling lightly with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and pairing them with sliced avocado, fresh tomatoes, or whole grain toast. Rule 7. Precaution: ensuring proper food safety and digestion. As our immune system naturally matures, senior bodies can become somewhat more susceptible to foodborne illnesses like salmonella. Consuming raw or undercooked eggs, such as in runny yolks, homemade mayonnaise, or unpasteurized eggnog, presents unnecessary health risks. To ensure complete safety, always store your eggs in the main body of your refrigerator rather than the door. Cook whites and yolks until they are firm, or use pasteurized eggs for recipes that call for light cooking. Proper cooking eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving virtually all of the essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals your body needs to thrive. So what is the final verdict on eggs after 60? When cooked healthily and consumed as part of a balanced diet, whole eggs are an absolute powerhouse for your muscles, brain, eyes, and overall vitality. Enjoying 1 to 2 eggs per day is a safe, affordable, and deeply nourishing way to support healthy aging. How do you love preparing your eggs in the morning? Let us know in the comments section below, as we always enjoy reading your personal habits and healthy aging stories. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Golden Years Health for more daily guidance, and share this video with a friend. Stay healthy, eat well, and see you in the next video.